morning. Our new product Type C to wireless HDMI extender is in stock today. We will show you how it will look like, and now I am just plugging in and show how it will work. Just I have put a cable of HDMI and I am giving power from the USB port. You can use the USB port of TV itself also to make it work. And now I am just putting Type C converter in laptop. Now you can see it will connect automatically. Just keep an eye on this blinking light. When it will stable, it will be connected automatically. One more thing to show you guys, this wireless HDMI extender is also supporting audio with the video through wireless. You can see.
दोस्तों मैं दावे के साथ कहता हूं कि आपने आज तक वीनू का फॉर्मूला यूज नहीं किया, डेली प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, 1 से 2 घंटा 10 घंटा आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो, फिर भी वीनू का
Have a good day. Thank you.